shaking the tree.
Oh man. See everything though, guys? What do you think?
It's doable.
What if there's just a nest of some wasps?
And you can just drop the shears if you're done with them.
I probably will.
Okay. Oh, I heard the hive get a live bell on.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, you should send that to my mom.
Yeah, I'm not standing under that, Gary.
You can go.
Okay.
Oh, here they come. Uh-oh. I'm dipping. I'm sure I'm not going over there.
You're gonna say you want the pruners to cut the limb up a little?
Yeah. I can get it.
That's freaky. That's a long nest. Are bees still swarming that tree?
Yeah, there's still a bunch up there.
Looking for the nest?